Here's the solution for the day one bell work. Find an equation of the parabola that passes through these three ordered pairs. So first, let's make a sketch of this so we can visualize what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 0, negative 4. And then over 1, up 1, there's 1, comma 1. And then over 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 2, comma 10. It looks like the parabola would do something like this. And somewhere down there at the bottom, I don't know exactly where, would be the vertex of the parabola. One way to find this equation is using algebra. Let's create a system of equations by using our different x and y values from the ordered pairs. Because these are x and y values, they can be substituted in place of x and y in this general format. So using the first ordered pair, replace the letter y with negative 4. And then that's equal to a times x squared. Replace the x with 0. And then plus b times x. Again, we're replacing the x with 0. And then plus c. Simplifying this out, this creates c is equal to negative 4. Now let's use the second ordered pair and replace x with 1 and y with 1. So for the letter y, fill in 1, and then it's a times 1 squared plus, now b times 1, and then plus c. So simplifying this, this makes a plus b plus c is equal to 1. And now let's use our third ordered pair, using 2 for x and using 10 for y. So where the letter y is up in the general format, substitute 10. And then this is equal to a times, and in place of x, fill in 2. And then b times 2, and then plus c. So simplifying this, this is 4a plus 2b plus c, and that's equal to 10. What we've done here is we've created a system with 3 equations in it and the 3 unknown variables. But we actually know that c is negative 4. Let's make that substitution into the second and third equation. If c is negative 4, this becomes a plus b minus 4 is equal to 1. And when you add 4 to the other side, it makes equals to 5. Now this equation, when you plug in negative 4 for c, this becomes 4a plus 2b, and then minus 4 equals 10. So when you add the 4, it makes 14. Now we have a system with 2 equations with 2 unknowns. And we have different techniques we can use to solve this, like substitution method or elimination method. I'm going to solve this system using substitution method. First thing I'm going to do is take the first equation and solve it for the letter b, getting 5 minus a. So if b is equal to 5 minus a, I can substitute that in place of the letter b in the second equation. It will become 4a plus 2 times 5 minus a is equal to 14. Then distribute. And solve this equation. This is 2a on the left side, 4 on the right side, therefore a is equal to 2. If a is equal to 2, then in this equation I can see that b is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3. At this point in time, I have an answer for c, an answer for b, and an answer for a. And I can take those 3 values and substitute into the general form. So the parabola has the equation y equals 2x squared, then fill in the letter b, so 3x, and then fill in the letter c, minus 4. This problem could also be done with the statistics features of the calculator. You would press stat and then create a list where the 3 x coordinates are in list 1 and the 3 y coordinates are in list 2, and then click statistics again and choose quadratic regression. If you do a quadratic regression, the calculator will give you the equation.